Hi, my name is Anna. I'm going to walk you through the unboxing of your Xtrallux device. First, we're going to remove the hygienic seal from the box. You will notice there is a serial number on the side of the box. We are going to make sure we keep that handy because we will be using it to register our warranty. Now we will go ahead and remove the sleeve off of the box. You can do it by tearing it, cutting it, or sliding it off. And let's go ahead and get started on our Xtrallux unboxing. First, we have our box. It's soft, nice to the touch, and it does have a magnetic closure. Here it has an open me first envelope. Let's set that aside. And let's take out the carrying case. And let's see what we find inside. Let's open it up. And first, I see the cap. It's already fitted inside. Let's set it aside. It has a shoulder strap. I'm assuming that's for the carrying case in case you don't want to carry it by hand and just want to put it on. If we move the flap up, we will go ahead and find the battery pack, which will be easy to connect. Here is a clip, which we can stick onto the back of the battery pack if you want to clip it onto your waist, or we can just slip it in our pocket. Here is our adapter with a US blade already attached. And it also has 3 universal blades for those who like to travel. All right, let's put everything back inside nice and snug. Put our cap back in. And this is where we would clip on the shoulder strap. Super simple. And you can wear it on your shoulder or you can carry it. And we just place it back in the box. All right, let's go ahead and open our envelope. It does come with some cards on here. The first one is getting started with your Xtrallux device. It says to charge the power pack overnight, connect the power pack to the cap, place the cap on your head, press the power button to start, and wait to remove the cap. And then you can just store it back in the case. Next is our warranty information. It talks about how to activate your warranty, and remember we will need the serial number for that. On this one is the customer service information. It talks about product information, hair loss education, placing orders, order tracking, troubleshooting, returns and repairs. That's all of the things that customer service is available to help you with. This next one is traveling with your cap. It says you can take it with you. Travel and the storage case, universal adapter, and interchangeable blades. And finally, the operating instructions for your device, so we can go ahead and get started right away.